The courtroom was still, the kind of stillness that made you hear your own thoughts. 18-year-old Malik Raza stood stiff before the bench, hands trembling slightly, jaw locked. He had never been in a place like this before: polished wood, sharp gazes, and the unmistakable scent of seriousness. He wasn't a criminal. At least, he didn't feel like one. But the law said otherwise. He'd been caught red-handed trying to walk out of a store with a pair of expensive sneakers tucked under his oversized jacket. Security cameras, shop alarms, and 2 annoyed guards had ensured that his quick score turned into an arrest and a charge. The courtroom door creaked open, and Judge Haroon entered, robes flowing like curtains in wind. He took his seat and peered over his glasses at the defendant. "Malik Raza," he said, voice gravelly, 18 years old. "First offense: theft." Malik didn't speak. His lawyer had warned him, only answer when asked. Keep it respectful. And don't try to explain unless he asks. The judge glanced at the file, then looked at Malik with the kind of stare that went beyond skin and bones, straight into the soul. "You stole shoes worth 10,000 rupees, he said slowly. "Was it worth it?" Malik swallowed, but remained silent. Judge Haroon stood from his bench, an unusual move. He walked down, standing just a few feet from the boy. "I once stole something too," he said. "I was your age. A pen from a bookstore. Nothing fancy. Thought I was clever. But the shopkeeper caught me. He didn't call the police. He looked me dead in the eyes and said, 'Every theft is a seed. If you water it once, you'll grow a forest of lies.' I didn't forget those words." He took a breath. "You thought no one would notice. But the world noticed. Your mother noticed." Malik's eyes shifted to the back, where his mother sat silently, her scarf wrapped tightly around her shoulders like she was trying to hold herself together. The judge continued, "I could send you to jail. A few months. You'd come out tougher, angrier, more skilled at crime. That's not justice. That's just recycling trouble." He paused and let the words sink in. "But maybe," he said, "you need something else. Something uncomfortable. A lesson that lingers." Judge Haroon walked back to his bench and sat down. Then, slowly and clearly, he delivered his judgment. "I sentence you to 60 hours of community service, at the very store you tried to steal from. You'll clean the floors, stack the shelves, and see the value of every item you once thought you could just take. You will report weekly. If you miss a single shift without reason, you return here, and next time, I won't be kind." Malik blinked, unsure if he had just been punished or saved. The judge leaned forward. "This isn't mercy, Malik. This is responsibility. Use it." The gavel came down with a sharp bang. Case adjourned. The room began to stir again, the silence broken. But Malik stood still. His mother's eyes filled W.